So this lesson will focus upon time and the telling of time. So first we recognize a couple of important words. Yeah, the word Hola, which of course stands for the word hour in English. And the most important word in asking a question of a number, yeah, of course, the word ʻEhia. And ʻEhia means how much, how many. Give me the particular number that is wanted. So in asking the question, Hola ʻEhia Kaʻeo, which is the generic way of asking the question, Hola ʻEhia Kaʻeo, this is what hour. Commonly, however, we generally would have a oka in front, as this would make it a pepeke aikeo sentence, as you can see here. This is how many hours? Oka Hola ʻEhia Kaʻeo. And the answer could be anything, for example, Oka Hola Umi Kaʻeo. Or the shortened version, Hola Umi Kaʻeo. And we can quickly see from the question, Oka Hola ʻEhia, we come with the response, Oka Hola Umi. So pretty simply, whenever we ask for the time, it's a matter of filling in that blank space of ʻEhia, which represents how many. Oka Hola ʻEhia Kaʻeo, Oka Hola ʻEvalu Kaʻeo. Oka hapalua Hola ʻEvalu Kaʻeo, or 8:30. So let's look at some real examples on the whiteboard. On this whiteboard here, some of the examples, again going back to the basic question. Oka Hola ʻEhia Kaʻeo, as a question. And again, ʻEhia, meaning how many. And in a simple response, I could say, Oka Hola Umi Kaʻeo, means it's 10 o'clock. Yeah. Ka Hola Umi, 10 o'clock. I could say Oka Hola ʻElua, it's 2 o'clock. Now, what if it's a half past, which is the common, yeah? We would say in English perhaps 8:30 or half past 8, as you would say in Hawaiian. So Oka Hola, yeah, blank Kaʻeo. And in Hawaii, we would actually be saying half past the hour 8, for example. So if I'm going to say 8:30, I'm going to focus on the idea this is half past 8. Yeah, or hapalua, which means half, hapalua, Hola ʻEvalu. Hapalua Hola ʻEvalu, 8:30. If I wanted to say, for example, 3:30, again, hapalua Hola ʻEkolu. So whatever is the hour, we're just adding on this idea of the hapalua, Hola, in front of whatever that hours to make it that 30. And likewise, commonly also, you may have the oka in front also. Oka hapalua Hola ʻEvalu. Oka Hola ʻEhia Kaʻeo, Oka hapalua Hola ʻEvalu. Oka Hola ʻEhia Kaʻeo, Oka hapalua Hola ʻEkolu. Okay, well, let's go look at some other examples. Perhaps you want to use, like in English, the idea of a quarter. Quarter past and a quarter before. And pretty simple in the same way. Again, we can start with oka. Hapaha. Yeah, so again, hapaha, 1/4. And depending on if I wanted to say something is past, ihala, yeah, which means to have been past. Past what? Ihala kahola. And if, for example, I might say past half past 3:30, hapaha ihala kahola ʻEkolu. Yeah, hapaha ihala, a quarter past, hapaha ihola. Now, what if I wanted to say, so this, of course, would be 3:15. What if I wanted to say 3:45? Likewise, o ka hapaha. But instead of past, we have to express the idea a quarter before. Or in Hawaiian, we say a quarter that's left, I koi. The word koi means what remains, what's left. A quarter that's left, I koi, until the bell rings. Kani, ka Hola, ʻEkolu. So this would make it, in fact, I should put this back here. This would actually make it 2:45. O ka hapaha I koi, kani ka Hola ʻEkolu. We have a fort that's left before. And then the kind of expression of kani ka Hola, what it means, of course, is on the hour, or the hour sounds. And if you think about the old clocks, the clocks would actually sound on the hour. Yeah, so a fort remains before the 3 o'clock hour sounds. Okay, let's look at a couple other examples real quickly. So if I wanted to tell the time, for example, that it's 4 o'clock, yeah, o ka Hola ʻEhia keia, o ka Hola ʻeha keia, o ka Hola ʻeha keia. O ka Hola ʻEhia keia, o ka hapalua hala, or o ka hapalua Hola ʻeha. Yes, we could say o ka hapaha, o ka hapalua Hola ʻeha, ai ole o ka hapalua I hala ka Hola ʻeha. Yeah, meaning 4:30. If I wanted to say, for example, 3:45, and of course we recognize that's a quarter before the 4 o'clock hour. O ka hapaha I koi, kani ka Hola ʻeha. Yeah, o ka hapaha I koi, kani ka Hola ʻeha, or 3:45. So those expressions, yeah, o ka Hola ʻelima, 5 o'clock. O ka hapalua Hola ʻelima, right, becomes 5:30. And o ka hapaha I hala ka Hola ʻelima. Yeah, this would be 5:15. And the last one, o ka hapaha I koi, remains again, kani ka Hola ʻelima, would make it, in fact, a quarter before 5, or 4:45. Yeah, a quarter remaining before the hour 5 sounds. And those are the basic ways of expressing time. Now, if we get into expressing time in regards to being accurate to the minute, then we express the amount of minutes which has passed or is remaining before a particular hour. For example, if I wanted to say something like 4:06, for example, the expression, of course, would be 6 minutes past the hour 4. He, and then we express in 6 minutes. Iono menuke. Yeah, menuke for minutes. He iono menuke, this is 6 minutes. 6 minutes which has passed. I hala, and past the hour 4. I hala ka Hola ʻeha. 6 minutes past the hour 4. Now, what if I wanted to say, perhaps I could say 2 ways here. I could say 57 minutes past the hour 4, which is doable. He, and then the idea of 57, yeah. Kana lima, yeah. Kumahiku, yeah. 57. He He kana lima kuma hiku minutes, minuke. Past, same way. Ihala, kahola, ʻEhia. Or 57 minutes past 4 o'clock. Another way to express this, which is often expressed, is to say, of course, that this is 3 minutes remaining before 5 o'clock. 3 minutes. He kolu minuke. 3 minutes remaining, ikoi, before the 5 o'clock hour sounds. Kani, kahola, ʻelima. Yeah, so 3 minutes remaining before the 5 o'clock hour sounds. And this would make it very specific in regards to the particular time by way of minutes. Now, another way to express something that's around, so kind of in the generic sense of, oh, what time is it? It's about 8 o'clock. It's about 10:30. The kind of expression of near or around is also very simple to use. And what we use is the expression makahi o. So whatever that number might be, whatever that means. For example, if I'm going to say, oh, it's about 8 o'clock, I might say, makahi o kahola evalu. Makahi o kahola evalu, around 10 o'clock. Maybe it's around 8:30. Same way. Makahi o kahapalua hola evalu. Makahi o kahapalua hola evalu. Maybe it's about, maybe I want to be precise. Oh, it's around 10:43. Makahi o ke kanaha kumakolo minuke ihala kahola umi. Maybe looking at this perhaps in a more common way, we might say something like, oh, about 11:15, right? About 11:15. Same way. Makahi o kahapaha ikoi. Yeah, ikoi kani kahola umi kumalua, I guess, yeah. Was it umi kumalua? So these are all various ways in which we can express the idea of time. Now, in regards to asking the question at what time, not just stating a particular time, which is a pepeki aiki o, but asking the question, we generally, of course, say ikahola ʻEhia. At what time? And the response, very much in the same way, just like the statement of time. And this is an ave, right? Ikahola ʻEhia, ikahola umi. Ikahola ʻEhia, ikahapalua hola umi. Ikahola ʻEhia, ikahapaha, yeah, ikahapaha ikoi kani kahola umi kumakahi. O kahapaha or ikahapaha ikoi kani kahola umi kumakahi. Yeah, so at 10:45. And so this is a very, again, easy way to answer the question at what time. And so the big words we remember in this response, of course, just to look at the examples, we should. And if I take some basics here, and maybe I put 9 o'clock, of course, again, 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, and maybe 9:58. And if I was to express this as a regular time, I would say okahola eva keia, okahola eva keia. Oka hapaha ihala kohola eva. Ka hapaha ihala kohola eva. Hapalua hola eva. Hapalua hola eva. Hapaha ikoi kanikahola umi. Hapaha ikoi kanikahola umi. He kanalima kuma walu minuke I hala ka hola ʻewa. He kanalima kuma walu minuke I hala ka hola ʻewa. Aiole, more commonly, of course, would be he ʻelua minuke I koi kanika hola umi. He ʻelua minuke I koi kanika hola umi. And o ka mea hope loa, makahi o ka hola umi. Yeah, makahi o ka hola umi, reaching near 10 o'clock. And these are all the various ways in which we tell time. Now, one of the things we remember as we tell time is that when we think about time of the day, whereas in English they use ideas of AM and PM in regards to the 24-hour cycle, 12 and 12. In Hawaiian, we generally use other kinds of expressions of time. So if I wanted to say, for example, 6 o'clock in the morning, or in English you would say 6 a.m. In Hawaiian you would say, o ka hola eono o ke kakahiaka. Of the morning, o ke kakahiaka. Now if I want to say, maybe it's 11 a.m., maybe 11 a.m. So this would be probably something like, ka hola umi kumakahi o ke awakea. Yeah, of midday, o ke awakea. Yeah. Maybe I'm talking about 4 p.m., which has passed on. The sun has passed on, and of course we would know o ka hola ʻeha o ka awina la. Yeah, being the time when the sun has passed, o ka awina la. And generally we might also have o ke ahi ahi in nightfall. Sorry, o ke ahi ahi, nightfall. Sometimes you might see o ka po of night. We must also see commonly o ke aumoe, and aumoe meaning midnight time or midnight time of the evening, which is of course very late. And if it's crack of dawn sometimes, or just before crack of dawn, we might say o ka vanao, which is twilight, beginning of the day. So these are some other more precise times that are used when giving a particular hour. For example, if I'm going to say 5 o'clock in the morning, yeah, o ka hola ʻelima o, well, I could say o ke kakahiaka if it's summertime perhaps and it's bright. I might say o ka vanao if it's kind of like more in a twilight, very, very early morning. Yeah. Obviously, there's a difference between o ka hola eono o ke kakahiaka versus o ka hola eono o ke ahi ahi. Yeah, so in Hawaii we don't use AM and PM, but instead we use that particular time of the day, and it's always an O possession also, not E. Okay, with that, go forward, tell time.